This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart Wallet in store. Walmart Pay, a feature within the Walmart app, offers a convenient and secure way to complete your purchases. It allows you to pay by scanning a QR code at the register, eliminating the need to pull out physical cards. You can link multiple payment methods, such as your credit or debit cards and Walmart gift cards, directly to your digital wallet for quick access. Getting started with Walmart Pay is straightforward. First, download and open the official Walmart app on your mobile device. From the main menu, locate and tap on the Services tab, then select Walmart Pay. Here, you can securely add your preferred payment methods, including major credit and debit cards, or even Walmart gift cards. Double-check that all your payment details are accurate to ensure a seamless transaction when you're ready to shop. When you're ready to pay at the register, simply open your Walmart app and tap on the Walmart Pay option. The app will instantly generate a unique QR code for your current transaction. Hold your phone so that the camera can scan the QR code displayed on the payment terminal. Once scanned, your selected payment method will be automatically charged, and you'll receive a digital receipt directly within the app, making tracking your purchases incredibly easy. Using Walmart Pay offers several advantages. You'll experience a quicker and more secure checkout as your payment information is encrypted. Digital receipts are stored conveniently in your app, simplifying returns and budget tracking. Plus, the flexibility to link various payment methods means you're always prepared. This convenient payment solution is accepted at all Walmart locations, from neighborhood markets to supercenters, making your shopping experience consistently efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.